Cal State, Sacramento in 1977. His experience includes agency work as a therapist and as a director of a psychiatric hospital. I didn't know that, Mario. He has been in private practice in Tracy, California and Berkeley since 1993 and is currently on the supervising faculty of the Psychotherapy Institute in Berkeley. He and his wife, Helena, and their 3 children are involved in the Slovenian community, which has some relationship, the fact that he is in the Slovenian community, with the dissertation that he did. I'm sure that all of us whose lives have been touched by Mario feel that we have gained from his presence. In my personal experience of working with him in seminars and as chair of his committee, I found him to be thoughtful on both personal and intellectual levels. Cynthia O'Connell and I have worked closely with Mario as a team of 3, meeting quite often to discuss his ongoing process of narrative research, because that approach is somewhat new to us. We also read and enjoyed the memoirs that formed his body of data. Narrative research involves telling stories. Mario examined the memoirs of several established authors relevant to their common experience of forced exile from their home countries. His data analysis is presented in the form of narratives, focusing on these palpably unique experiences of exiles. His discussion of the overarching themes presented in these stories reveals the shared markers of personal exile. The choice of this approach is congruent with his research concerns and the nature of his data. Adam Gopnik in Angels and Ages, his recent book on Darwin and Lincoln, writes, "Individual experience feeds into collective experience as a river flows into the ocean and as the ocean makes the rain that makes the river. The question is always, how does individual experience inform our knowledge of collective experience and vice versa?" Narrative research revolves around this concern. The individual experience of Mario's authors, very special informants, when looked at both as particular and as aggregate, inform our understanding of what it is to live as an exile and turns around the deep meaning of home. Mario.